The Curvature tool allows you to draw free form paths and curve like the pen tool, but with lot of ease. You can think of the Curvature tool as a simplified version of pen tool. The Curvature tool is located here on the toolbox, right next to the pen tool. Let's select it and draw some curves. Now if you click once, you will notice nothing happens. But when you click one more time and move your cursor a bit, you will see a curve being drawn. Just click as you like to draw your curve. You can draw both closed path and open path using this tool. Now let's draw a open path. Click and move the pointer to shape your curve, and when you are finished, just press escape key on the keyboard to commit the change. Here, pressing return or enter key like in pen tool will have no effect. You have to press the escape key to commit. Let's draw a circle using the curvature tool. You just need to click and move the cursor and adjust the shape to make the circle. What is great about this tool is that you can edit the shape at the same time while you are drawing, or even if you have finished drawing. Let's draw a flower vase. Make the basic shape of a vase like this. Now take your cursor to any of the anchor point, and when the cursor changes, just drag to edit the shape to make it look perfect. You will notice that I can even change the shape while I am drawing. Now press escape when you are done to commit the change. The curvature tool can also add new anchor point to already drawn path. I like this feature a lot. Let's draw a simple curve and just take the mouse over to any path, and when you see a little plus sign, just click to add the new point. Now you can also move this point if you like. Just like the anchor point tool, if you double click on anchor point, it will change the curve into smooth curve or sharp point.